Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in the previous video we have discussed about the routing and URLs. So we have added a new template and we have displayed the data in this format. But in this video we are going to talk about how to make the field editable in the edit mode on the website. So for example, this is the page, this is open. So let me click this to enter into the edit mode, and if we click here we cannot edit and change these fields, but if we click here, so you can see we can change it and we can modify it, like same like the company name. So we can modify this data. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can make it possible. So Odoo uses special tag for this purpose, like let me open the code, and here in this template we have used a TESC, but in case if you want to make it editable we will have to use a T field. Okay, and this way it will be made editable. So I will add it like this and let's remove it, and the same way we can make this as editable also. I will edit the field and remove this. Okay, so you can make it editable like this, and then let me upgrade the module. So as this is actually the change of the XML only, so therefore we don't need to restart Odoo server, and we will just upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade we will be able to see the change. Let me discard it and let me refresh it. So after the refresh, and then let me click the edit button again to enter into the edit mode, and here you can see it is editable now. And let me add this edited and edited by Yunus. Okay, and let me save it. So once I click the save button it will be stored automatically at the backend. So let me store it, and you can see it is displayed like this. So if you go to the previous page, courses, and here you will see in a Odoo technical course edited, and let me show you at the backend how it is changed. So here you can see Odoo technical course edited, and this is the edited by Yunus description. So this is how you can make a field editable in the website in edit mode. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. And if you want to download this module, so you can find the code on the GitHub, and the GitHub link is in the description of the video.